Did you know that in the midst of the Great Depression, President Herbert Hoover secretly took to the streets of Washington, D.C. to observe the dire conditions of the American people firsthand? Disguised in plain clothes, Hoover witnessed the stark reality of breadlines, shantytowns, and desperate families struggling to survive. This clandestine mission, unknown to most, profoundly shaped his understanding of the nation's suffering and influenced his approach to the economic crisis. Despite his efforts, Hoover's presidency would be marred by criticism and seen as ineffective, overshadowing this rare glimpse into the private determination of a leader trying to connect with his citizens.